Hi, I'm Jason Braun, Product Manager for Ancor. When making an electrical connection, the first step is stripping the wire. Today, we're going to show two of our automatic wire stripping tools that will make the job easy and fast every time. Both Ancor tools use an innovative VBlade design, which allows the tool to automatically adjust to the wire gauge you are currently stripping. Both tools strip wire from 20 to 10 AWG. The tools can also cut wire from 20 to 10 AWG. The pistol grip tool also has an adjustable stop which allows you to set the depth of the wire strip. The compact tool is designed to be used in tight areas such as a bilge or under a console. Thank you for learning more about our tools today. Visit ancorproducts.com for more info.